Hello everyone, let's talk about keeping your MSI GF63 or GF65 thin laptop running cool. If you've noticed your laptop getting a little too toasty lately, especially during gaming or other demanding tasks, it might be time to consider replacing the CPU and GPU cooling fans. Today, we're looking at the Fleshy leaf replacement fan set designed specifically for these MSI models, including the MS16R1, MS16R2, MS16R3, MS16R5, and WF65. This set includes both the CPU fan and the GPU fan, addressing the cooling needs of both critical components. The part numbers you're looking for when confirming compatibility are PBD08008SH and 413 for one fan, and PAD06015SL 433 for the other. It's absolutely crucial to double-check these numbers and carefully compare the provided pictures with your existing fans before making a purchase. A mismatch could lead to fitment issues or even damage to your laptop. Fleshy Leaf has designed these fans as direct replacements, meaning they should integrate seamlessly with your laptop's existing cooling system. The power connectors are the standard 3-pin type, ensuring compatibility with the motherboard. The cooling method is forced air, which is the standard and effective way to dissipate heat from laptop components. Replacing laptop fans can seem daunting, but with a little patience and the right tools, it's a manageable task. There are plenty of online tutorials and guides that can walk you through the process step by step. Remember to disconnect the battery before you start working on any internal components. A new set of fans can make a significant difference in your laptop's performance and longevity. Overheating can lead to reduced performance, system instability, and even permanent damage to the CPU and GPU. By keeping these components cool, you're ensuring that your laptop runs smoothly and reliably for years to come. Fleshy Leaf is the brand behind these fans. They are designed to be compatible with MSI GF63, GF65 thin, MS16R1, MS16R2, MS16R3, MS16R5, and WF65 models. The package includes both the CPU and GPU fans, ensuring comprehensive cooling. The fans use a 3-pin power connector and forced air cooling method, and the UPC is 7268100444842. If you're experiencing overheating issues with your MSI GF63 or GF65 thin, this replacement fan set from Fleshy Leaf could be a worthwhile investment. Just remember to verify compatibility before ordering, and take your time during the installation process. A cooler laptop is a happier laptop.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.